welcome to the channel. This is Meredith, and today I have a brand new box for the channel. This is the Walmart beauty box. So this is going to be about a quarterly subscription, I believe. I've been watching it like off and on for like a couple of years now, and I'm pretty sure it's quarterly. So this is the fall 2023 box. I bought it a couple of weeks ago, and I believe that they're still allowing new customers to join. I don't have a referral link or anything. I'll just link you directly to the website to purchase this if you're interested. And from my understanding, it will automatically renew at about $7 plus tax. So this particular box, again, as I said, I've been watching just because it's so dang affordable, and because I kind of like the fact that it's kind of a mix of products. So it's not just makeup, it's not just skincare. I've been seeing some like nail care items, like some people got like really nice like nail polishes in the past, some body care, some tools and stuff too. So anyway, for $7 I felt like it was a pretty good gamble. I'm not a gambling person, but we'll see. So just so you know, there was the option to like upgrade my membership. So at the time that I purchased it, it was already sold out. So I don't know how many they have available. So if you are a member of Walmart Beauty Box, let me know if you were able to upgrade or if you had any experience with that. But again, I only bought it like a couple of weeks ago, and they were already on variation like 10 by the time I made my decision to purchase. So the upgrade was with Space NK Apothecary, which I believe is like kind of a higher end beauty and skincare sort of company. I think it's like more out of Europe. I don't know, maybe I might be wrong about that. I feel like it's a little bit more European brands and things. But anyway, that is the info there. I think it was additional 15, but I might be wrong because I was already like, it's sold out. Why am I reading this information? A couple of disclosures. Again, I paid for this with my own money. I don't have like an affiliate link or anything. The link below will just be linked directly there if you want to do it. I don't typically buy stuff from Walmart just because I live in the city and there's not a Walmart nearby. So the other thing is I am from Minnesota originally, so my family is through and through a Target family. So we just like don't really go to Walmart. So that's the other thing. However, that being said, if you're from the Midwest, let me know if you've ever shopped at Shopko, because we used to go there like somewhat frequently. My grandma really likes shop. There have been quite a few variations that I've been seeing. The other thing is they did have a beauty quiz, and from what I was able to kind of ascertain from the posts that I've been seeing about people's boxes, it seems like they might actually take that into account when they give you your box. For example, one of the products is a hair product, and from what I've been seeing is a lot of people had curly hair and they got the curly hair product. People had coily hair and they got the coily hair product. So we'll see about people with like very, very, very straight hair that is unmanageably straight. Like I can't do anything with it. So anyway, let me just open this guy up and let's see how it is. Again, this did come with an outer wrapper, so don't worry about it like breaking in there. It just had my P.O. box information all over it. It had like all the numbers written. So I wanted to take that off, and it also is reflecting funny in the lighting in here. I also apologize if the lighting is weird and you hear some weird sounds. We're in like the middle of like a storm. I think it's like the remnants of the tropical storm. So it's been not raining nonstop for the past couple of days, and I have a tree right here that looks to scrape. Anyway, so let me just open this up. So there is a little bit of a little card in here, and then this is the info. It is wrapped pretty well. It has like a tissue paper and everything. And then the card here has information about the products, and also a QR code so you can apparently scan it. I was gonna say I thought it would give you more information, but it's a survey, so that's actually pretty nice. So let me open this guy up here even more. So it looks like there's a card on top and then a few products on the bottom. So let me look at this card first since it was on top. This is from Revlon. Oh, that was the other reason why I decided to purchase it, because number one, it was $7, but also if I liked it, my guess is the reason why they're in the Walmart box is that you can buy it at Walmart, which means that you can probably also buy it at drugstores and Target and stuff like that. That's easier for me to come by. But this is from Revlon. It's the Illuminance, I don't know how you pronounce it, skin caring foundation with 5% squalane and hyaluronic acid. It says skincare and makeup come together to illuminate your skin. So it's a new product, it looks like. So I have been kind of looking at new foundations. I have a couple of cushions that I bought in Korea, but after those are used up because I just went through 2 extra bottles of foundation. I finished them out this week. So it says deeply hydrates and moisturizes, blurs imperfections and leaves skin naturally radiant, reduces appearance of fine lines and wrinkles in 4 weeks. Over time, appearance of bare skin is improved. It has medium coverage and it says 28 buildable shades. That's pretty wide range. So it looks like here they may have used a little bit of the little survey to determine, because it looks like I only got 12 options on here, but I can tell you that like some of these are not going to be for me. Like definitely not that one, definitely not that one. So I'll go through this and kind of take a look, because again, my guess is this is going to be pretty affordable. Let's see if there's other info on this card. So this is the Revlon Illuminance Skin Curing Foundation. The full size is 1 ounce, which I think is 30 mls, and it's $13.48. Like 48 cents, so random, so specific. But yeah, anyway, so if I do like it, that's pretty affordable. With that being said, I also tend to like my Wet n Wild, which is like $5. So this will be an upgrade, you know. I'm gonna go into the next item. I've been talking your ear off. I'm so sorry. The next item that I see is this. So actually I got this in a pop-up that I went to, but this is from Kiss, and this is the Kiss Impress Press-On Falsies Eyelash Clusters Kit. So I have been recently seeing a lot of influencers talk about this product just because they're saying it's revolutionary, but they wear falsies all the time. So my eyelashes have never had a falsie stuck to them because I've been scared. Honestly, the glue, I don't know, it scares me. My eyes are very sensitive and they water a lot, so I'm always worried that like it's gonna get glue in my eye, or like it's gonna water so much that it falls off or something, and I'm gonna be walking around with one eyelash. But anyway, this one is supposed to be like little clusters, and then it has no glue needed, and you're supposed to be able to just like press them on with like not very much effort. And then on top of that, the reviews that I've been seeing from influencers, I don't know if they're sponsored or anything, they've been saying that they stay on all day and things like that without any worries. But it says just press and glow. So apparently you pluck a cluster from the tray, place the cluster underneath your natural lashes, squeeze the cluster and the natural lashes together with the applicator, and then, yeah, that's the info there for you. I don't have any info because again, I haven't tried it yet. I do now have 2 sets, so we'll see. The info here says this is full size, it's $14.97, and this is a 20 count package in here. Again, from what I've seen on the influencers vlogs and stuff, is they only put a couple on, like at the edges and stuff. But yeah, anyway, that's the info there. I would say that I'm also like only a little bit familiar with their other products, which I have here somewhere. Hold on. So this is the other thing that I got. I also got some toenail press-ons, which I think are a little strange to me. But I did try out a pack of these that I got, and honestly, they kind of ruined my nails. So I don't know necessarily if I did something wrong or it's just my nails. Like I've never had a manicure or anything. I've never had press-ons or stick-ons or any acrylics or anything. So I don't know if my nails were just like not used to it, but it definitely ruined them. They're only starting to now grow because I had to cut them so short because they kept like shredding and parts. Sorry, TMI. But anyway, let me know if you've also had these products and if they were okay for your nails and what you did and stuff like that. Going to move on now. Let's see what else. I'm gonna not even look. I'm just gonna pull something out. Okay, this one here is Ariana Grande Thank You Next Body Mist. So this one is probably a sample. It says 1.7 fluid ounces or 50 mls. So the full size is $9.98 for 8 ounces. So this is not 8 ounces. So this is probably like a $2. But yeah, this looks like it's a nice compact sort of travel size. Let's see, no info in here about what the scents are. So let's see. I don't know if I want to spray it on me. So I'm gonna spray it on the box. So we'll see. Okay, that mist was not a mist. It was kind of like a sputter. I don't know if you can see how sputtery. Yeah, you can. Let me try again. Okay, now it's more of a mist. It was just the first one. You need to prime it. Okay, so the scent is like kind of sweet. It kind of also has like a kind of a coconutty scent, like kind of tropical fruity. It's not bad. This might be nice to have like in a work bag. I know that a lot of people don't do fragrances at work, but sometimes, you know, you want to freshen up in the middle of the day. But this might be nice to just hold on in there. I probably wouldn't purchase it if I'm being completely honest, because I also like using my little samples over there in my bags. But I just came back from a work trip and this might be nice. This sort of size product might be nice for it. I'm gonna have to see if this is like really, it smells kind of young. It smells kind of like, I guess like the target market of who you think of for Ariana Grande would probably be who this is more aimed at, not like a 30-something person here. But I'm gonna put this back here. Is going to be, let's see here. This one is the TPH by Taraji hair product. So I just did a spoiler video yesterday about the Allure Beauty Box, and this is the same brand that's going to be in there. It's like the one in the Allure Beauty Box is like a conditioning scalp. Why am I holding my hand like that? A scalp product where you like spray it in and then you rub it. But this one is different. This is the Make It Rain Hydration Rich Conditioner. Hydrate, smooth, and detangle. It's for all hair types. So again, I think that they had other products in here as well for different variations. If you had coily hair, curly hair, etc. area, but I appreciate that I didn't get one for coily hair because I don't know what that would have done to my hair. It'd be a nice project and like a science fair project, but we'll see. But yeah, I don't need to see about that. It says no umbrella needed, make it rain, comes stacked full of botanically rich ingredients, showering your hair with moisture and for irresistibly healthy looking hair. This hydrating and strengthening conditioner helps smooth, detangle, and nourish hair, a must-have for your product stash. Infused with aloe, quinoa, avocado oil, and moringa oil. Apply generously to damp hair after cleansing. Leave on for 2 to 3 minutes or longer. You do you. Sorry, it was hard for me to read because that was like too conversational for the back of the instructions. For deeper hydration and conditioning, rinse thoroughly. It's vegan, cruelty-free, SLS, SLES free, phthalate-free, paraben-free, mineral oil-free. It does have fragrance in here pretty high on the list, but that's okay because it's a hair product, and I'm also like not too picky about fragrances, except for there's certain ones I don't care for, and that's like rose and lavender. So let me just open it. I don't know how to open it. Okay, it is a flip top. It's felt kind of like it's supposed to be a screw top because it has like the beveled edges, but it's a flip top, but I still can't open it. Why is this so difficult? I don't know if I'm going to be able to do that with sudsy hands in the shower. Okay. It has kind of like it's not like a sweet scent, it's kind of like more of a spicy scent. I do like it though, it'll be quite nice. It kind of smells luxurious too, like kind of like the rich spicy scents. So I don't know, it's probably not for everyone because I think a lot of people do like the florals. I like florals, but more like the geranium and begonia, but anyway, the honeysuckles. I don't care for like lavender and rose, but I think that perhaps if you like lavender and rose, you probably don't care for this one quite as much. It's a little bit more spicy and musky, but I am quite excited for this. I was actually thinking in the shower that I need to buy more shampoo. No, I need to buy conditioner, so this will come in handy. I actually have a couple more actually now I'm thinking about it. I've bought some in Korea. I'm gonna go into the next product. Oh, I didn't tell you how much this one cost because it actually says the product varies, and the full size is anywhere from $7.84 to $13.97. But this is the next product. It's the Thayer's Natural Remedies Soak It Up Liquid Moisturizer, and this one looks to be a sample size. The full size is $19.97 for 2.5 fluid ounces, and this one is 1 fluid ounce. So it says it penetrates 5 surface levels, barely there feel. It has snow mushroom, hyaluronic acid, and shea butter. I always love telling you that the snow mushroom product from Volition Beauty is so good, that serum. I got it in a FabFitFun sale, and then my friend had it in a BoxyCharm before that, and we both love the product. It's just pricey. It's like $70. So anyway, hopefully this works just as well because that made my face look so plump and so smooth. But yeah, this is normal to dry skin. It has a natural origin, 97% ingredients. No, sorry, I read it wrong. Natural origin ingredients are 97%. Twice daily, morning and evening, squeeze a small amount and massage into clean skin until evenly absorbed. It has quite a few ingredients in here. I actually don't see any added like fragrance, so maybe it doesn't have too much of a scent. It's fragrance free. Oh yeah, it says fragrance free right there. Fragrance free, paraben free, phthalate free, non-comedogenic, vegan formula. It has like the little bunny, and it says dermatologist tested for safety. So I always am curious what they mean by that, but anyway, this is the ingredients list. Let me see if it has it did have a little bit of a seal here, so I don't know if it's gonna have a seal on the inside. No, it does not. Let me see. We'll give it a go. My hands are like somewhat moisturized actually. I've been using this new hand soap I bought at Trader Joe's, and it's actually quite moisturizing. So yeah, no scent. Okay, it's soaked in like almost immediately, even though my hands are very well hydrated, but it's like quite nice actually. Not a greasy feel at all or anything like that, and I can definitely feel that it's soaked in like right here. Yeah. It's not greasy, and it doesn't feel like wet or sticky or anything. This seems like pretty nice actually. Again, this would be great for like a travel bag. I wish I would have had it when I was on my work trip this week because my skin got super dry. I'm gonna go on to the next product. So this next one here is okay, bummer. So I was hoping to get the other eye product I saw in other people's boxes, which was a CoverGirl Lash Blast. That is why it's a tongue twister. Lash Blast Cleantopia Mascara, and that was a full-size product, and it was supposed to be $10.48 value, but instead I got this one from Revlon. This is the Revlon product that is not in this list. Hold on. Yeah, I can't tell you. It's not in the list actually. So this is the Color Stay Eyeliner Pencil, and it is an improved formula in the shade black. It's up to 24 per hour wear. Intense color, waterproof. It has a smudger and pull-out sharpener in it. And yeah, it's a pencil product. So again, I don't know necessarily if I will use this product because I'm not good at pencil liners. I only use liquid and a liquid brush at that, so we'll see. But yeah, it has probably about a $10 value if I'm guessing, maybe $11.48 I'm guessing as well. But yeah, anyway, this is that product. Let me know if you've tried this product and what you have any tips and tricks for somebody who has very bad experiences trying to stay on the lines with a pencil liner. There's a random plastic bag in here. And finally, this product. This is the Cetaphil Daily Facial Cleanser. It's fragrance free. The full size, which is obviously not this, but I think this is like the travel size that you can buy for like $3 or $4 at the travel size section. This is the full size product, would be $11.97, and it would be 16 ounces. This one here is 1 fluid ounce. So again, it's usually like $3. I don't know why, but it is. But this is the Cetaphil, and again, I've used this plenty of times. It's very nice. It's very gentle. Sometimes if I'm in a pinch and I didn't bring my like brush cleaner and I'm gone for a while, I use this because it's pretty gentle. I know I'm probably not supposed to, but I use it on my makeup brushes because it's better to use this and ruin the brushes than to not wash them and ruin my face. But this is combination to oily skin and then sensitive skin, hydrating glycerin, essential items B5 and B3. Oh yeah, that was another part of the little survey. It asks you like what type of skin you have. So I have combination and then combination normal. So it says massage a small amount onto wet skin, rinse. So it's pretty simple. This is cleanser. But overall, that was a pretty good box. I mean, I'm going to use almost all of the options in here. The only one I might not use is that eye pencil. I'll tell you what some of the other items were that were in the other options. So again, the Taraji, the TPH hair product depended upon I guess your hair type in your survey. So again, I saw some that were like for coily hair, some for curly hair. I don't think I saw any for wavy hair, but I just might not have been paying attention because I was again on a work trip, so I didn't really look at websites and stuff. The other one here is an ITK clay color changing mask, and that's what it looks like. And it looks like, let's see if I have good enough eyes to read this. I do not. It says the full size is $14.97 for 2 ounces. The next item here is the Haley Kiyoko EDP. I'm not sure what that is, but it says it's a Walmart Beauty Box. Why was that so hard for me to read? A Walmart Beauty Box exclusive bracelet. So honestly, I'm a little bit happy I didn't get that, but that's what I mean. The Walmart boxes have like a mix of products. The next one was actually, I kind of was okay with getting that, a sheet mask. I know a lot of people don't like getting sheet masks in subscription boxes, but I like actually use them. But that's from Mask Bar, Pretty Animals sheet mask. Product will vary, but the full size product is one sheet mask. It's anywhere from $3.97 to $7.18, which is very expensive in my opinion. The next one here is the Carol's Daughter Born to Repair Moisture Treatment. I know a lot of people really like that product and that brand. I just haven't tried it myself, but that one would be $9.25 for 6.8 ounces. The rain is definitely here. And then finally, the last one here is going to be the CoverGirl Lash Blast Cleantopia mascara that I already talked about that I wanted to try out. But yeah, it also says that sometimes there's going to be other products that you don't see here, which is probably where that Revlon came from because it wasn't in there. So again, I got version 18 or variation 18, and I think there's quite a few variations. So definitely consider subscribing to it if you are interested in trying out some pretty affordable drugstore products. But yeah, that's all the info I have for you. Let me know if you also get this box and what you got in your variation, because again, there's so many variations. I haven't seen this one yet online, so I think maybe depended upon when you subscribe. So I think probably the people who get variation 18 are getting them right about now. But yeah, thank you again for watching, and I'll talk to you again soon. I'm filming a video right after this. I might change the sweater so it looks a little bit different, but it's like literally right after this, where I'm gonna unbox everything that I bought for this month, because I actually bought a lot. So I hope that's interesting to you. I got some stuff, I got some clothing, and then I also got some Amazon products and other stuff. Sorry, the rain is coming now, so I'm gonna talk to you later. Bye.